y. This is direct form 1 realization where you need 5 delay blocks. Now same you can realize using direct form 2. When we think of realizing this by using direct form 2, in this we come to know that we are only supposed to use 3 delay elements. So I think it is very clear, direct form 1 realization is simple and everybody must do it. Right? Take xn, put delay elements, have yn somehow, put delay elements and make combination. That's all. Now we try to build up the case for direct form 2 realization. Some calculations are needed, means what we can say, direct form 1 means if we can give an equivalence, direct form 1 realization is standard 7th conventional question in the annual examination, and direct form 2 realization is the question in high school scholarship examination. This is the only difference. Both are of very high school level. Direct form 1 is annual examination standard 7th, and direct form 2 is scholarship examination, high school scholarship examination at standard 7. There may be many who may pass standard 7th examination but may not pass scholarship examination. So the equation is xn plus 2xn minus 1 plus 3xn minus 3 plus y half yn minus 2 plus half yn minus, correct? So now we try to have a schematic. In direct form 1, there is a chain of delay elements with one being connected to the other. In direct form 1, there is a chain of delay elements with one connected to next directly from input as well as from output. Whereas in direct form 2, there are 3 delay elements but calculation is in between them. So there will be something like this. There may be something like this. Some adder like that. So let us try to have one by one. So here is xn available to us. Here we presume that yn occurs because we have to presume, because our equation, we have to solve the question. If we don't solve the question, y will not occur. So we presume that we will be successful, so y is active. Now what we want that there is one term yn minus 2. There is one. The delay flow is in this way. This is the input block of the output block. Input block, output block. So, and yn must be sum of something. So this is required. Then, so this will put a summer is required and it is the output. And there will be two inputs. The output goes here and the output is also available on this side as a feedback. Then it must go through two delay elements at least. It must go through two delay elements at least. So it must be connected. It must be connected to this. Because somehow this is to come in this reflection. This is to come in this reflection. So if I now add half, so that happens to be one of the inputs here. That happens to one of the inputs here. Right? Half. So this half y minus 2 comes here. Half y minus 2 comes here. And it is to come in this way, in the present form. So we have one more thing, is that we have this connection directly. We don't have any addition here. So xn is available. And at the end we can have multiple additions. So xn is available. One xn next what I am 2xn minus 1. 2xn minus 1 I have. Then I have what? After 2xn minus 1 I have 3xn minus 3. 3xn minus 3. So I may add, again I am going brute force. Brute force I am deliberately going because everybody should understand. I add 3 here. So 3xn minus 3 I am introducing at this stage. What I am introducing here? I am introducing 3xn at this stage. I am introducing 3xn at this stage. So when it comes out here, what it would be? 3xn minus 3. 3xn minus 3. Right? 2xn minus 1. So what I am doing? I am introducing, I hope you will understand it immediately. This half I will show here. As I already stated, it's a high school scholarship, so the level of thinking should be somewhat more.
Don't delay limit.
X n minus 1, yes, right. That's right. Had it been here, then there is a problem. Had it been here, there is a problem because there would be 3 inputs for addition. We are not using that. We can understand that, but then you have to put 2 adder blocks. Don't adopt some convention because it provides us suitability. We know means at it is just like if at a KG or first standard, the concept of addition of 2 numbers only. 3 plus 4 equal to 7. If a question has 3 plus 4 plus 5, then it is a 3 input addition. But 3 input addition is done by multiple 2 input additions only. So it is 3 plus 4 plus 5. So if something is to come here, then this plus this is to add with one adder, and that plus this is to add. So you should include 2 plus blocks in between. Is it clear? Now we have an adder or multiplier of 2. It is 2xn minus